Jennifer Daniels at Busy Bee Promotions, and today I'll be making enchilada zucchini boats with Daiya cheese and Beyond Meat. So the first thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then you're going to gather your ingredients. What you will need for this recipe is 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a cup of diced red onion. I also like to add any peppers when I'm doing any Mexican recipes. 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, salt and pepper to taste. And then you're also going to get your zucchinis that you are going to turn into the zucchini boats. The first thing you're going to do is to put your oil in the pan, and you are going to cook your onions just for a minute or two, just till they're a little bit clear, and I'm also going to do my peppers as well. And once that's done, I'm going to add the meat. So now that I've gone ahead and let these cook for about 3 minutes, I'm going to add my meat. I am using Beyond Beef plant-based ground crumbles. So this is a vegetarian option. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the pan and let that cook and brown. I'm going to add your garlic cloves that we minced up. Also, your teaspoon of paprika, your teaspoon of ground cumin, go ahead and mix that up. And while this is browning, you can go ahead and prepare your zucchini. Basically, all you're going to do after you wash your zucchini is just cut them in half. You're going to make little boats. I just take a spoon. I have a teaspoon here. And just take out the guts of the zucchini so that you can make a little boat. And I like to save the guts, keep all the vitamins and nutrients. And then I'm going to go ahead and put that in with the plant-based crumbles with the Beyond Meat. Put these in a pan, add this in, and then we're just going to wait for this to brown. So now that we've browned the beef, I'm just going to add some salt and pepper to taste. And mix that up a little bit. You're going to take your Beyond Meat mixture and put them inside the boats. I always tend to have a little bit of extra meat whenever I make this recipe, so I'll keep them and put it on top of a salad, kind of like make a little taco salad the next day, instead of lettuce. Now that that's done, you're going to go ahead and put your enchilada sauce in. I used a packet mix. But that does have a little bit of gluten if you want it to be vegan, vegetarian, and gluten-free. I know there's some sauces out there for a gluten-free enchilada sauce. You're just going to take a cup and a half of sauce. Go ahead and pour a little bit of sauce over each boat. And then we're going to take some of the Daiya cheese and put that on top. And then we're going to go ahead and put that in your 350 degree oven. So I baked this covered for 35 minutes in the 350 degree oven. Let's take a peek. Here is our enchilada zucchini boats. It is plant-based. made with Beyond Meat and Daiya cheese. You have those. You can put any kind of toppings that you'd like on it. I like to do a little bit of avocado, of course some fresh cilantro from my garden, and some chives. And there you go.